Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled Karen Demands Refund at Post Office Gets Arrested Instead.
On March 26, 2025, officers responded to a post office for a call of a customer causing a disturbance.
In there.
Someone acting up in there? All right. Let's step outside. Let's go. What's going on? Let's go outside.
Let me grab my stuff.
What you got?
I bought a money order.
Grab your stuff. Let's go outside. Just so we can talk about it like that. Come on.
Come here. I got my luggage over here.
Oh, okay.
This is the guy that's my tax guy, and they wasted his time. They literally wasted his. I go to Elgin to get things taken care of, and they take a half an hour to do a transaction. My name is. I had this P.O. box for 6 months.
You got a driver's license on you or anything?
Yes, I do.
I'll take that.
No, you're not going to take it. You can look at it.
Yeah, that's fine.
The last time somebody wanted to look at it, they took it.
That's all right. She's upset.
This is what they did. They took a payment for
Here,
$120.
lower your tone. Lower your tone.
My name is here.
Let me see.
And they're changing
10-4.
the name on it. I showed them my passport.
32, you can stay 10 a.m. Secure here. Okay?
I showed them my passport. This is my passport.
Yeah.
That's what's assigned to that.
Okay.
I even got last year's payment.
Why are you so upset right now?
Because they got the wrong name. Payments go to this P.O. box. They got Jennifer Byer. That's not my name. I'm fighting this person.
Right.
So they need to put Jennifer. And they said they can't do it.
They can't do it? They can't do it. Why are you being
Because
so
then
upset
they
with
need
them?
to void it. They need to void the payment.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Need to void the payment.
Well, if they can't do it, they
Give
can't
me the
do
no.
it.
They can. Oh, they need to void the payment.
Put all that just so it doesn't blow away.
They need to void the payment.
I'm just gonna run you real quick. Hold on.
Give me my passport.
No.
You don't need to keep it.
If you act like that, I'll arrest you. Ease up.
Or you're gonna fucking hit me.
51, 34, 10, 27, 29.
You don't need the passport.
Yeah, I do.
For what?
To run you. Ease up. Yeah, he's taking care of you. Why are you being so rude to that
taking
guy?
all of his time. I told him I got somebody outside waiting, and they're taking all this time.
Go ahead.
I'm going to come with you, yes, but they need to give me my money back. They need to give me my money back, Don. No, she's not canceling the box out. She's not canceling it. That box is good till the 31st of this month, and I will pay for it out of Elgin is what they told me to do, and I should have done it, but because I was here, I thought I would do it here.
Yeah.
And now they put it under the wrong name.
Well, they're obviously not going to fix it, so you should just listen to them, what they got going on.
They need to fix it.
Well, they ain't gonna.
They need to fix it. That's not my name.
All right, well, they're not gonna.
That's not my name.
I know. They're not going to.
They're not going to do it?
They told you that how many times? Huh?
They put the wrong name on my box.
Well, they're not going to fix it. I'm sorry, but they're not gonna.
Okay, then I need to find out when they're going to fix it because that's not my name. And my are Byer. It's not Jennifer Byer. So somebody wants my damn check.
Yeah, I wouldn't have let her go back in. It's just going to be more problems by letting her go back in. But I don't understand what she's paying for a P.O. box, but the P.O. box has the wrong name on it or something. Like, I mean, if that's the case, I could definitely understand the frustration, but something not adding up. But, you know, I wouldn't have had her go back inside because this is just going to cause another issue.
You're not funny, Marty. When do I have to come back? Monday to have it fixed? It takes how long? 20 hours? What? When can I come back and get corrected?
You got to go.
Excuse me?
I just wanted to understand, just to clarify what the fuck was going on. So pretty much you closed your box, They already explained to you. So if you don't step outside, you're going to be arrested. Do you understand? So if I were you, I'd step outside. Obviously, they asked you multiple times to go outside. She explained it to you. So you need to get your bag and get on out of here. Listen, right now, grab the bag and go, or I will force you out.
Go to that bag. Excuse me? No, they won't. Where's my suitcase? What are you doing?
I explained to you. You don't listen, this is what happens.
Run!
Relax.
Damn you!
Now you can go to jail.
Now I go to jail? That's where you're taking me anyway. You don't have 3 men in here taking me away.
Stop resisting.
Give me my luggage. Give me my luggage.
Let go of the bag.
Yeah. Give me my shoes. Quit handling me like I'm a damn you.
Stop kicking me. Stop kicking me.
Leave me alone.
Stop.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Simple trespass, man. Asked you to leave, you would have been on your way. Now you on your way down to the county, man. Damn.
Ow! Ow! Where's my stuff? Where's my stuff at?
Sit down right there.
Okay, Rico Suave. Okay.
Where's my luggage and stuff? Stop it! Stop!
You just put it in, it's fine.
Where's my luggage? Get my luggage!
Her bag's in the back.
Oh, perfect.
Where's my luggage?
I'm taking her to Post 2 South.
Oh, yeah.
51 Freeport, she's 1095.
Where's my luggage? She's got my luggage!
Just for your information, I locked down a cell phone line and then I tried contacting you via phone and it's not going
Wow.
He has my luggage! He has my luggage!
51 Freeport, road Post 2 South.
My luggage! He has my suitcase!
That's on you, girl.
10.3
You wanna act like that?
Green suitcase! He has it in the back!
No shit.
He has it in the back of his car!
No shit. Thanks for repeating yourself.
Yeah, it must be that vehicle that they were talking about that had the trunk popped open when she was arguing with the guy. Must have been his ride or whatever the case may be, but they hauled her ass off to jail. The cops said, no shit. Wow. That sucks. See, everything would have been taken care of. All you had to do was just act right.
Gotta learn how to act.
They don't belong in the post office! You're fraud! You're
Gotta learn how to act.
Shame on you for acting like that. Grow up.
Yeah. Gotta act right. Gotta act right.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest.
Gotta act right. Cop ain't lying. Cop is not lying, boy. Everything would have been smooth, man. All you had to do was just leave. That's all he said. All right, they asked you to leave. Grab your stuff, get out. You don't want to get out? You want to do things on your own? Okay. Now, when you get out, go find your suitcase somewhere. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.